He's done it. She gave in.
You did it, Birdie Bird. Oh, come on. Yeah, let him snuggle woggle. You can do it. You can let him snuggle woggle. You can let him. I know you can. I know. I know. Yeah, it's okay. You can have a new friend. That's okay. Yeah, you can be his new friend and he can be your new friend. Yeah, it's okay. What? She's very close. Yeah, she's being nice. You're almost there. You're almost friends. Almost. Look at that. Look at how close you are. Look at how close you are. You're almost friendsies. Almost friendsies. Yeah, I know. I know. See, he's not so bad. He's not so bad. He's handsome. And he loves you. He wants to be friendsies. You gotta be friendsies. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I don't believe it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Starburst. You are grooming Birdie Bird? Birdie Bird, you did it, buddy. Oh, she wants to be friendsies. Oh, it only took almost a whole year, Birdie Bird.